Do you have 10s and 90s between?
I'm a hairdresser, my hands are good.
Oh.
That's one thing I have is very strong hands. Because it's funny in class how many people say, I can't hit air. I'm very specific. I hold it a certain way every single time. The strength in my hand, I always blow it towards me. That's why I work on a turntable. I find it's easiest for me. And I very rarely will ever, like I see people, I don't have the strength to do it this way. It's just the grip is totally different. I have a really strong grip in here. I also use the canned air. Oh, okay. And I recommend it. I say definitely bring canned air to class. I just want to see what I'm going to blow away on the table.
Can you get that at Michael's?
No, but you can get this
Costco sells
big
like
lots.
three.
Big lots,
Oh, really?
yeah.
Cans. What?
Yeah,
Your keyboard.
Yeah.
Oh, actually, if you have like something real fine, like if it does get. Oh.
Because I have one once, it cleaned something, I forget what I was using it for.
You just have to learn the touch because it comes out so strong that I could blow everything off the table. You can see, and I'm doing little bursts.
Oh, sure, go ahead, no problem.
Very cool.
It really is. I think it's such an amazing medium.
Oh, you just bring back such happy memories of
You know, so how fast, if I wasn't talking, I could pull together, I'll just see a wet spot,
That's where you do it here.
and pull together something. You saw how fast I could wipe it out. Also, if I don't like the shape of the center, which I usually don't, I usually will redo the center at this stage. All I have is just alcohol, and all I can do is just reshape this.
It's something cool, like, you like what you did? So much with color,
Is that a special brush?
No, I just don't use my really good expensive brushes. In fact, I bought these brushes in Michael's, or AC Moore, I can't remember. And I was looking for inexpensive brushes. I think they were 4 for $10. And I said they were just a synthetic. I assume it's a synthetic. I wasn't, if it was my watercolor brush, I would have been looking for something. This I just wanted to have a nice point on it. I don't have any, if you know me with watercolor, I have a lot of big brushes. This is all I bring. The other thing that I really, and then I would paint my center at this stage.
That would be in the dry.
Yep, then I'm gonna come over, get it dry, and say I can start putting in a center. And then if I really want to jazz it up,
I'm just playing with it. Not the actual, yeah.
I know that.
This is a transfer, this is from a piece of magazine, just like the pattern in it. And if I have this, you can't feel the lines on this. The nice thing about this is that you can take this and print something on top of it.
And I'm working very dry, you can see this, you don't see really any liquid.
The possibility.
Because if I use a lot of liquid, it's just gonna bleed that right out.
Do you have a supply list? There is a supply list, I will tell you that, no, sir. They was funny, get scared.
I said dirty water.
Oh, I know.
It's the watercolors, didn't it?
Yeah. Okay, because come here.
Dirty alcohol. Like, I don't even know if my inks are still viable.
And the nice thing is, if I don't like anything,
Take it out.
it's gonna take it out.
Right out. Very cool. That is
Super.
beautiful.
And how fast was really?